Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I have a Shein haul for you guys. I did a little bit of shopping. I have over 15 items and I spent less than $50. So if you guys want to see what I got from Shein, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I got a mixture of accessories and clothing items, but before I get into showing you exactly what I got, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you've been enjoying the video so far. Also remember to like. Let's just stop and leave a like. Yeah, like it? Okay, cool. Also, if you are watching, I want you to comment with the emoji of shopping bags. I hope there's an emoji for shopping bags. But if not, just leave some kind of bag down below in the comments to let me know that you're watching. Also, please remember to check out the previous videos on the channel. Check out my other channel, Yardmen. So let's just get into the video. So I'm going to be starting with the accessories first. I'm not lie people, I kind of go hard with the accessories. So I'm just going to zoom through this part of it. So I got a number of earrings. The first pair of earrings I got was this one. It is like gold, I guess, or yeah, not rose gold, but like kind of gold inspired. If only I could open this package. And all of the packages come in these little, they're individually wrapped. So this is the first set of earrings, and like I've been like just slacking with the earrings. Like I'm the type of girl that will wear the same two earrings forever and ever, amen. So I really wanted to up my earring game, and I think all these earrings were like about $1. I'm going to put the price and size and details of everything on the screen in case I don't mention it so that you guys can see. But yeah, I think most of the earrings were $1. These are, even though they look a little bit big and heavy, they're pretty lightweight and they're really cute. I feel like they're a nice statement earring. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to wearing this. So this is the first earring set that I got. The next set that I got, and I just have that bag here just kind of digging through. Trust me, I got a lot of jewelry. The next pair that I got is this one here, and I really love the color of this. This one is green. It's like a, I don't know if it's emerald green that it's called, but this is what it looks like. It has gold accents on it. Again, it's a very lightweight earring, so if I'm wearing this in my ears, I don't have to worry about it hurting and pulling down on my ears. So this is another one, pretty cute, and as I said, it was probably $1 or so. So that's the next pair. Another pair of earrings that I got was another kind of gold with like a kind of pearl inspired earrings, and these ones came off of their little card, so I'm gonna have to take them out. So this is what these look like. Hopefully you can see those. This is what they look like. Yeah, these again are just light, nice statement earrings, a little bit more simple than the first pair that I showed you guys. It's like pearl white in the middle, and it kind of has like an iridescent feel, and then it has gold accents. I'm very big on gold jewelry, as you can probably notice, like with my chain and stuff. I like gold jewelry, so whatever I would have purchased is it should kind of match with the kind of jewelry like my watch and my necklace and bracelets that I wear. So that's why I got like some gold jewelry. The next item that I got was this pair of black, what do you call these now? Black, what do you call them earring here again? Tassel earrings. And actually I'm kind of upset about that one here because these black things are supposed to be right here, but obviously they never make good, so then drop out. But probably I'm gonna just glue them back in. But you know what I mean, they were $1 as I said, so no biggie. I'll probably just glue them in. But to give you a look of it, it kind of looks like this. So these are some nice black tassel earrings, pretty cute and simple, you know, can bring off any outfit basically. So yeah, nice, another nice pair of statement earrings. So the next pair of earring I got was like this one. To me is just so interesting. Again, it's gold inspired. I think they're so like, it's a very nice statement earrings. They're like coils. They use the metal, the gold metal to like coil them. I think this super cute. These ones are a little bit more heavy, to be honest. So yeah, hopefully when I wear these, I don't have to be wearing them for a long time because they're a little bit heavy. But I think they're like really unique and they look really cute. And for $1, I mean, they're cute. They're worth it to me. Another pair that I got were these dusty pink earrings, and I don't know why, but I've just been loving like dusty pink for some reason. And these are again some tassel earrings. I have no tassel. Well, I think I have one pair of tassel earrings. But this is what these look like, and these are a little bit more, I guess they're shorter than the black ones that I would have shown you guys earlier. Yeah, I need to straighten out the tassels because you know them get kind of bent up during transit, but I mean you get the idea. They're pretty cute earrings. Simple beads again, and this will go with a lot of what I already have because like I really like that dusty pink kind of color, so it will go with a lot of the wardrobe that I have. These are just like, what do you call them? Like almost they look like jewels. The one of them kind of been a little bit in transit, but yeah, this is what they look like. Pretty cute again. Of course, I keep dropping things. Pretty cute. This is what these look like. Hopefully, you can get an idea of what they look like. Yeah, can bring off any little outfit, not as big or as statement-ish as the previous ones, but still pretty cute. Then I got this pair of earrings that I really like. It's again statement-ish, but not really. So it's these earrings here. They have like pearls, so you call them pearls on the end, and they have a gold accent up here. So yeah, these are pretty cute. I feel like this is just like an elegant kind of vibe. You know, I see myself wearing a little high bun or a high puff and just rocking these because these are really classy and I really like that. So I also got a necklace, a layering necklace. Now you guys know that I love gold necklaces, and if you guys are interested in the necklace that I'm wearing or any of the other ones that you see me wearing in my videos, the nameplate ones, I do have a link to Yafini Jewelry where I purchased them, and you guys can check them out if you want to. So I got this layering necklace. It's gold. It has 1, 2, 3 chains on it. They're not individual chains, so they're all joined, but I feel like even if I wore this necklace with like the one that I have on now, I think it would pair really nicely with it. So I just picked this up, and I don't remember the cost for this, but I know that it was not expensive at all. I did also get a set of anklets. It's the first time that I'm actually wearing an anklet or have purchased it. It's actually 4 anklets that came in the set, so you have different size widths and designs of the anklet. So yeah, they're all pretty cute. I don't know if I wear all of them together. I don't know. There are 4 of them, so I don't know if I wear 2 on one ankle and 2 on the other ankle. I don't know, but they're pretty cute, and I said they were very reasonable too. This is not no real jewelry, so I'm sure this will change, but I'll probably just put some clear nail polish on it to help it last a little bit longer. But yeah, so I got those. Now I did also get 2, I guess, handbags or purses. These were also very reasonable too, if I can only find to open it. So I got, the first one that I got was this black one. This is the black one that I got. It has a strap on it. It's just a very small purse. It can basically hold your like your phone, lip gloss, your cards. It can't hold another like big purse, but if you have cash and whatever, it can be put in here. Just really simple. The material feel kind of nice. It's not anything that is real, but I mean, if you're just running on the road or you're going out with your girls and you just need a little bag to ensure that you have your stuff, you know, the necessities, you can carry this, and it's black, so it will go with a lot of stuff. So that was the first one, and then the other one that I got is a dusty pink one. Honestly guys, I don't know how to tie that one here. So the strap kind of come like this, like it's not tied or anything. I don't really know how to tie it, but this is another cute one that you can just, you're running on the road and you have a little purse, or you're going out and you have a little purse. It has gold accents right here, so So I think this one is really cute also. I just need to probably go back on the site and figure out how to tie these, how to make it work. So, but yeah, this is basically what the bag looks like. I do have some clothing items that I'm going to show to you, and the thing that I like about Shein too is that everything comes in like these Ziploc bags, these individual Ziploc bags, so I really liked that. The first thing that I got was this dress, and when I saw this dress on the site, I was like, yes, you know, this looks like a nice like work dress or whatever. But when I tried it on, I was like, I feel like this probably is a little bit too short and maybe a little bit too close for me to wear. But we'll see still. Maybe I can wear it, wear it to like church or something, or maybe wear a jacket with it so that it doesn't look like, you know, too stuck on. But this, I got this actually in the Shein curve side. So Shein has different categories. And actually I should have mentioned to you guys that I usually am a size 12, US size 12. So I usually get size 12 in dresses. I don't know why I decided to get a 0XL in the curve section. I just wanted to be safe rather than sorry, because I know sometimes when purchasing online from Asian sites especially, the clothing can come a little bit smaller than expected. So I decided to go up a size and get the 0XL in the curve section, which is the plus size section. So this is what this dress looks like. I think it's cute. The material is not bad. It does have some stretch in it, which is good. Yes, but overall I think it's cute. Probably, I don't know, maybe wear it to a funeral or something, but to me it was a little bit short. But again, it was reasonably priced, so I really appreciated that. The next item I got was a dress, another dress, and this is just a simple casual dress. It's red and white stripes. The material is kind of, I want to say it's almost like, it's kind of like, it gives me swimsuit vibes a little bit. But I feel like I should have gone down a size in this. This is again from the curve section. It's a size 0XL. Just a simple dress, like if you're running on the road to the errands, or you can even dress this up with maybe like a jean jacket or something and wear it with sneakers or something. I'm not a sneakers girl, but I mean, you guys could do that if you wanted to. But it's just a simple dress. It has good stretch. Like I feel like, as I said, I should have gone down a size just because I like for like my bodycon dresses to fit a little bit more closely, especially when it's just like casual dresses like these. I would like them to fit a little bit more closely. And this one fit loose, but I mean, it's alright. I think that it still looks good. It was also reasonably priced. I don't remember the price, but I'll have it on the screen. So that was the next dress. Now I did get some tops. The first top that I got is actually a bodysuit. So it's this purple bodysuit, and this tag actually said Ramwi. I'm just guessing that Ramwi and Shein are probably like related. They're probably like sister companies or something. But yeah, this one actually said Ramwi, and this is just a purple bodysuit. It has some frills on the front. The size of this one is size large, so I did get my regular size because I do wear size large in tops. So I did get my regular size, and this was from the regular section. It's just a bodysuit. I think it fits really well. The material is really thick, and I really like that. Like, it feels very good quality. This is probably, in terms of material, the best quality one so far. So I really like this one. I would definitely recommend, and I don't have anything this purple lilac color, so I definitely was drawn to this because I don't have anything this color in my wardrobe. So I really liked this one. I got another bodysuit, which is this one, and I saw it and I was like, yeah, black and white, you know, what's this print called? I think it's called like Houndstooth or something. The material is kind of a hottish material, to be honest, but I mean, I plan to wear it to work whenever I start going back into office. So I do plan to wear this to work. I think this would look really nice with like a black pants, a nice tailored black pants, you know. Yeah, and this can be worn different ways. You can wear it with, even with colors too. You can wear it with like a colored pants or something, or with a black skirt. You can style it any which way you want to. This is a size large, which is, it said the size large is US 8/10. So I got this in a size large. It fits me comfortably and perfectly. It's another bodysuit, so I really liked this one. The next top that I got was this one. This is like a almost like a baby doll kind of top. It's what is this color, like nudish, I guess, creamish, with polka dots on it. I thought this was really cute. I thought it was just like an easy breezy kind of top. It fits me very well, like, you know, it fits the way that it's supposed to, which is kind of like oversized. That's the kind of style of it. It does have some, what do I call this? I don't know what this name. I don't know if this is not pleats. I don't know what it is, people, but it have this and this, so it kind of has some layers in it. So yeah, that's cute. I really like this one. Nothing really to it, and then again, very affordable, so cute. The last clothing item that I got was this pair of shorts. Now, because I'm just so nervous about my lower body, I actually got this in the curve section also. But again, I could have sized down because it has a lot of stretch in this, so it does fit me loosely and very comfortably. It also came with this strap right here, which I don't think I'm gonna wear this strap with the shorts. It came with this belt, I should say, not a strap, a belt. It came with these shorts, but I don't think I'm going to wear it together. I'm probably just going to put my own belt in the shorts. But it's very easy breezy, like if I'm going out on a Saturday to the errands or whatever, I'd probably just wear this because shorts is really my weekend wear, to be honest. I love wearing shorts on the weekend because I just feel like they're very easy. But you could either dress this up or dress this down. As I said, I got this in a 0XL in the Shein curve section just because I was a little nervous about my upper body. My upper body is where I carry most, my lower body is where I carry most of my weight, so I didn't want to take any chances and order the bottoms in the regular sizing. So I got this in the plus size section. Has a lot of stretch, very easy breezy, very comfortable, so I'm very happy and pleased with this purchase. Okay, you guys, so that was my Shein haul. As I mentioned, I spent less than $50 for all those items. I feel like Shein is an online site that you can either hit or you can miss, and I honestly feel like I definitely hit with all the items. I'm pretty proud and happy with the items that I purchased. So yeah, I don't know if I am going to link the items below, but if they are linked below, you can check the description box. So I want to thank you again for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. Please remember to subscribe. If you guys have made it this far, I'm encouraging you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe if you like my content. Also, remember to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. If you guys are my size or similar size to me, please give me a like. Also, remember to check out the previous videos on my channel. I'm gonna also link the video in the description of how I got this wash and go. I got this wash and go using a Jamaican product. So if you guys want to see that, please check the description box. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box. Also, check out my other channel called Yardments. Thank you again so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.